Forget everything you know about fundamentals and technicals. We're looking to the stars today to see where gold and silver may be headed in 2017. He's one of our all-time favorite guests. Astrologer to the stars, Mahendra Sharma, joins us today. Mahendra, welcome back.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.
All right, Mahendra, let's start with your gold forecast. Offline, you were telling me how you think the metal might have another $300 down to move.
Yes, I see a rough patch for the gold. We still see a negative trend to continue. Maybe short-term bounce can come and gold can maybe test 1188. That's maybe the max I see for the gold. Downside in my astro cycle, I see a 1125 a major support, but after that 1055 and the 1055 sell achieved before the March 2017. I am recommending investors to stay a little bit sidelined, not to speculate heavily on the buying side. They will going to get a great opportunity in the coming time.
So can you call a bottom, Mahendra?
775 is my number, and that price gold should hit that price according to me. For the gold stocks, I see a mixed trend, but I don't see a great outlook for the gold stocks as well.
However, you're not as bearish for silver.
No, I'm not very much bearish on the silver at this stage. But in 2017, in the few patches, silver will move aggressively higher. Those will be during the last quarter of the 2017. I see a very aggressive move in the silver, and silver will outperform all major metals.
So what's your price forecast for silver?
We have to see that how much the silver goes down from here. I think it can test $13, $13.50. That should be the low for the silver. If the gold really hits the 775, which I believe it will, then I think silver can test $10, and then from $10 it can boom, straight away goes to the $20.
So just to recap, Mahendra, you forecasting $20 silver in 2017, and what average for gold?
Gold, I think higher side, as I said, at 1188 should be the higher side for the gold.
What about on the presidential side, Mahendra? We have a new president coming into office. Any predictions here?
Economically, I think USA will going to do very well, because I see an overall astro chart for the country. Definitely leaders, they matters for the short period. Overall, US astro chart is very, very powerful for the next centuries. So I think I don't see much negativity for the USA economic front. 2017 will be very stable year, but unfortunately, I don't have a good news for the stock investors at all. 2017 will be very negative for the stock market. This is the first time, the third time in my career, I'm warning investors to stay away from the stocks, stay away from any new buying in the stock market.
Are you bullish anything in 2017, Mahendra? What are you thinking or forecasting that could perform really well here?
I think 2017, I think year to watch, especially from the middle of year. My astro indicators are showing very bullish for the China, very bullish for the India. The two markets, they will going to perform amazingly well. Emerging market currencies, they will surprise everyone.
All right, Mahendra, thank you. And before I let you go, you're working on a new book?
Yes, sure. I think the new book is almost ready. It may come out around maybe the end of first week of January or the second week of January. So.
And actually, for real, last question, Mahendra, which signs do you think will have the most luck and prosperity in 2017?
I think Virgo, Libra, and Aquarius, they will going to do very well in the 2017.
Fantastic, Mahendra. That's the news I want to hear. Thank you so much for joining us.
You guys too. Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
And thanks for watching. We'll have more experts on our Outlook series. Be sure to stay tuned to Kitco.com.